When we hear all the statistics about how much money people owe, you'd think that anyone can get a new credit card anytime. But the truth is that not everyone gets approved all the time. Here are just a few reasons why. Number one, you already owe too much. If you already have a lot of outstanding loans, lines of credit, or credit cards, it'll be harder to get more. Number two, if you've been seeking credit in multiple places recently, this is known as credit-seeking behavior, and it can raise a red flag. The first question the potential lender will be thinking is, why has this person been so focused on getting access to new credit? Do they foresee a problem? Number three, you might not meet the requirements of the card that you're applying for. While your credit score may be fine, some cards have additional criteria you need to meet in order to qualify, such as an income above a certain amount. For example, if a certain card is only offered to individuals with incomes over $100,000 and your income is $50,000, you can have a perfect credit score and still not get approved. Number four, you may have an unstable employment history. Lenders like stability. So if you're new to the workforce, have a history of changing jobs often, or recently went from a salaried position to self-employment, your odds of getting approved can be lower. Number five, there may be mistakes in your credit file. It's possible that you don't get approved because your credit file is in poor condition, but you may not have been the person who did something wrong. It could be that a simple clerical error was made, and it's possible you've unknowingly been a victim of fraud. Make sure to check your credit files on a regular basis for accuracy. Number six, you don't have much experience borrowing money. If you're new to the country, young, or haven't used credit very much before, it can be harder to qualify. It's a bit of a catch-22 in that you need to get credit in order to demonstrate that you can handle it properly. In this case, the lender might offer you a lower limit than you applied for, or you can seek a different card with lower limits. And finally, number seven, sometimes lenders will just lend out less money in general. Depending on the economy and that particular lender's business, a decision can be made to loosen or tighten how much credit they make available. So remember, it's possible to have a lower credit score and still get approved for a credit card. And it's also possible to have a higher credit score and not get approved for a new credit card.